Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I tried something new. I went ahead and ordered the subscription box. I've never done I've never done a subscription box on my channel. The little one is right here as always. Hi sweetie. Yeah, you're doing so good. Yeah. And I ordered the Allure beauty box and I got it right off of Amazon. And so let's unbox it together because I haven't opened it and see what we're looking at. Oh, I got this for $15 and you get something different every time. And I believe you get something like full size. I should go to the thing. Here you go, Allure beauty box. Oh, here we go. So Allure's monthly beauty box offers top trending editor tested makeup and beauty picks with a $70 plus value for only $15. That's good. Top products selected by Allure editorial experts. We test more than 50,000 products a year. At least 2 full-size products in every box. A mini mag with tips. Oh, that's what this is. The mini mag with tips and exclusive offers. Skip or cancel anytime. So that's kind of cool. So it comes. Oh, did I drop something? I don't think I dropped anything. Show you the box. All right, let's see what they have in here. Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Luminous and translucent peach extract and peptide complex. Who doesn't want glass skin? All right, has no sulfate synthetic fragrances. Okay. Poreless, luminous, translucent, glass skin is yours. This revolutionary cocktail of peach extract, they name all this other stuff, niacinamide, metacasoside, and peptides, helps hydrate, brighten, and minimize the appearance of pores, helping you get your clearest, most radiant glass skin. Pat onto clean, dry skin, can be used AM and PM daily. Oh, okay. I just have to look into the ingredients to make sure I can use this, you know, while breastfeeding. Oh, well, let's smell at least. This is cool. So they give skincare too. Okay, I can't. Oh, okay. Here we go. It smells like a serum. Like it doesn't smell like peach or nothing like that. It smells like, oh, okay, this is serious. Something to go on your face. Oh, okay. And they give you 1.35 ounces. Yeah, you're doing so good, sweetie. It's a pretty bottle. It's nice and clean and I would call it classic. Okay, well, I can't really try that now and tell you about that. So let's go to the next thing. Oh, Butter Lip and Cheek Balm by Beautaniq. Beauty? Yeah. Can you see that? Okay. Well, let's open this up. It's a lip and cheek balm. And I guess I got this also because it helps you kind of try new things because you can get so caught up in what's trending or, you know, what everyone else saying is good and try some things yourself. And hey, you never know what you'll find from the so-called not necessarily hot new makeup people or what have you, but it's still really good. Oh, okay. Okay, there's a clear plastic on this too. There we go. Okay, this is clear. Oh no, the bottom is just clear. My bad. This is a color. Okay, let's see. You're doing so good, sweetie. Oh, okay. This reminds me like of a cream blush or something. But they said it's a lip balm too. So how about, yeah, it said lip and cheek balm. So kind of like a cream blush type of color. And then how about I take this lipstick off? You're doing so good, sweetie. All right. I'm back. Now let's give it a whirl on my lips. Some people aren't into the pots because you gotta use your fingers, but I don't mind. My lips are dry, not because of the lipstick, just I haven't been consciously taking care of my lips lately. It's soft. It's soft. It's not thick. As you can see, the color. So it's a balm, not a lipstick. So it's like I'll call it more of a tint for your lip. And just, did I get it on me, or is that where my baby girl scratched me? No, that's where she scratched me. First impression, it's fine. Let me put it on my cheek too, just so you guys can see it. All right. Cheek. Okay. Oh, now that's pretty. Okay, now that's where I'm using it. The balm is cool, but oh, this is happening on the cheek. Oh, you just put a little bit on. You see the kind of just glow it gave me? Just glowed me up. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, I really like that on my cheek. Yeah, Beautaniq Beauty. Yeah, this will be being used on my cheek. All right. Next we have Cicapair Tiger Grass Calming Gel Cream. Apply evenly to clean skin. Huh. What is this supposed to do? It doesn't say what it's supposed to do, so I have to look this up. But it's not something I can try right now. It's an ultralight hydrating gel cream enriched with a blend of strengthening Jart biome, soothing centella, and reparative Cicapair. Okay, yeah, dryness and redness. It's for combination in oily skin only, so not for dry skin. Okay, well, I have combination skin. I'll have to look at those ingredients. And I also have Osea? Normal, dry, and combo. It's an organic seaweed cleansing gel. It removes surface impurities and excess oils. Vegan lactic acid gently exfoliates to minimize appearances of pores. We have a lot of stuff of minimizing appearance of pores. Massage onto damp skin and rinse with warm water. It removes makeup too. Use morning and night. Oh, okay. You guys know I like to smell stuff. Oh. That smells like it's going to do something. You know, you have stuff that kind of smells medicinal and you're like, oh, something's going to happen with this. That's kind of how this smells. Yeah. Huh. Ocean cleanser. Normal, dry, and combination skin. Well, we will try that too. Guess that's why this is an unboxing. Acne cover patch. Cover blemishes invisibly. 8 clear patches. Huh. Well, isn't that cool? We'll have to try that too. Last but not least, charcoal pore care by LAPCOS. All right, it's a charcoal sheet mask with charcoal powder, detoxifies and tightens pores. I used to do a charcoal mask maybe once a week with the Elmer's glue and and charcoal powder. I haven't done that in like a year since I got pregnant. Okay, I'm definitely going to try this. Okay, well, that's all for the Allure box. I would definitely say I got $15 worth out of that. Like, this is a lot of stuff, and I'm going to try it out. And of course, I'll put updates in there, or I'll make a new video if I really love it, like it's amazing. So I hope that helps you guys figure out if the Allure subscription box was something you're interested in, or just kind of want to know about new products. So yeah, tell me what you think about that. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yeah, they give you quite a lot of stuff. I like it. I'm not mad at it at all.